Welcome to Cooking with the Stars and Happy Healthy Valley. Today we're going to be making a cream cheese Alfredo. We have a lot of great ingredients that we're putting together. Some cream cheese, some spices to give flavor, and some great add-ons that Cassidy's going to talk to us a little bit about. So Cassidy, go ahead and tell us what we're going to be building today.
Thank you for having me. So I have a cream cheese Alfredo that I'll be making. So we have our cream cheese and milks. I used Parmesan cheese and some shrimp. I used a veggie pasta as a substitute for regular wheat noodles. And on the side, I'll be making a salad.
Perfect. So we'll be using 1 stick of butter. We'll be using some cream cheese. Is that correct?
Yes.
And cream cheese, it's a dairy product, so it has some potassium, some calcium for our bones. And then we're adding some additional things. And what's our protein today?
Basically, it would be the shrimp.
Okay.
So we have shrimp that I have set aside in olive oil, and I've added a garlic and herb, no sodium seasoning that I will be putting on the skillet for a couple of minutes on each side, just to get them the right consistency.
Perfect. So we can go ahead and get started. Do we want to go ahead and start building the recipe together?
Yes. So before we start, I'm going to put some shrimp on the pan just to let that go and sizzle while we talk.
Perfect. So as Cassidy is putting that on the grill, she's using some shrimp. If you don't like shrimp, you can always sub it in for like chicken if that's what you prefer. Have you tried it with chicken before?
Yes, it is also great with chicken. I use lemon pepper if I'm going to use chicken. So I've set this aside. I've let it soak in some olive oil for about 15 minutes. If not, you can just put it in the pan with some olive oil in there. So lemon pepper also goes great if you're not a fan of garlic.
Perfect. So she did use some olive oil. She's using some shrimp. As we shared, these are cooked extra small shrimp that we're using. And then she has seasoned it with a couple of different ingredients. So she has added, some Mrs. Dash salt-free seasoning to reduce some of the sodium, some black pepper, and then as she mentioned earlier, she's using some garlic powder. As far as the base, it's cream cheese and then some milk. So she uses about 2 cups, right, Cassidy?
2 cups of milk
into the sauce as she's preparing the shrimp.
Yes, and to get the sauce thick enough, I have added my Parmesan cheese. It's 6 ounces of Parmesan shredded cheese. If the sauce is too thick, you can always add a little bit of more milk just to make sure you get the sauce, the consistency that you like. One of the things is that whenever you're putting in your cream cheese, you're going to want to whisk it until you can tell that the butter and the cream cheese are nice and smooth and mixed together.
And we can hear it sizzling already. But yes. I also want to mention that I am a licensed dietitian, so one of my favorite things that you added into this recipe is this veggie pasta. It has at least 2 grams of fiber, at least 7 grams of protein, so it's very wholesome as well as we're thinking through of, how do we build that balanced plate. And so this great recipe includes all of that, and that's what makes it so fun, but then also enjoying some of our favorites. So those of us that love Alfredo, this is just another way for us to enjoy it. And so that is cooking, and you mentioned it's cooking for about how long?
I'm going to cook it on 2 to 3 minutes on each side. If you like your shrimp a little chewier, go for the 3 minutes. I'm going to leave them on for 2 minutes each side. Make sure that they are nice and white.
Perfect. So she's stirring it up there. And then you said like medium heat. Is that how?
A medium heat just for 2 minutes. You can make it juicier. If you want your shrimp crispier, use less oil. If you want them a little more softer, use a little bit more oil.
Okay, perfect. So we have our protein, we have our carbs in there. So just a really, like I mentioned, just wholesome, balanced plate that we're putting together today. And then you mentioned a salad. So we are pairing it with some vegetables.
Yes.
So do you want to tell us a little bit about that?
I have a salad with a little bit of feta cheese and some black olives with onions. I'm going to add some Caesar salad dressing onto it just because I do believe that goes best with this dish.
Okay, perfect. And again, adding color to the plate,
yes.
Right? So we're always trying to encourage more fruits, more vegetables to our plate. And this pairs really well with our chicken. I keep saying chicken. Shrimp Alfredo, I'm sorry about that. But, as we're thinking about the plate, just incorporating different food groups, to ensure that we have that balance, so we have more nutrients. As we like to talk with our patients or our customers, we want to just make sure that we're thinking about how do these ingredients provide us fuel for our body. And this is just a really great recipe that we're putting together today.
Yes, I was hoping to go for maybe a little bit of a lighter side of the famous Alfredo dish. Yeah. This is the most flavorful I can get. And being a type 1 myself, I absolutely love the dish based off of carbs. It is better than a regular bowl of pasta, carb-wise.
And that's good. Yeah, I'm so glad that you mentioned that, right? So you are type 1.
Yes,
so,
ma'am.
As you're building different snacks and recipes, it's carb controlled. So that's even a plus, right? So it's balanced. It has enough carbs to keep you going and just energized throughout the day. And just balance, just really focusing in on that.
Okay.
Perfect. So is it almost ready?
Yes. So another thing is cream cheese also has no carbs, which is one of my favorite snacks. If I'm having toast, I definitely go for cream cheese over maybe peanut butter since it has no carbs. Also, the milk with a low-fat milk has a little bit more carbs than regular milk, but it may help soften the sauce for the dish.
Yeah, making it creamy and tasty.
Yes. So, and then salad-wise is low carbs. And that's it. Shrimp has no carbs also, so shrimp is also a great meat. Most meats, since they do have low carbs, it is great.
Perfect. So let's go ahead and build our plate. So as we're putting this together, let's go ahead and bring the shrimp over if you want to plate it, however you choose to put this together.
Okay. So I have over here, I strained my noodles.
Perfect.
So these are great. They have a very nice color to them. And
perfect.
Set up. Sorry.
Yep. Go ahead.
So the shrimp's going well.
And with the pasta, it doesn't even take that long to cook.
It doesn't. Definitely with the veggie-based pasta, it is a lot less time. So it's great for a quicker meal.
Perfectly. So we're building this together, and we're going to just mix in, again, the sauce, the Alfredo sauce, into the pot. Again, to your preference, if you like it saucy, you can add some more. If you want to stay light on the sauce, then you can do that as well. And that's what makes it so fun and versatile. You can have it as you please and as you prefer.
I like my sauce a little bit more runnier, so I'll just add a little bit extra milk. If you like your sauce thicker, either take away some milk or you can add a little bit more Parmesan cheese, or for some flavor, a different type of white cheese, maybe mozzarella goes great.
Perfect. That looks great, Cassidy. And so we'll just stage that a little bit on the plate. That's perfect. And then you'll just top it with the shrimp?
Yes.
Perfect.
So I have my shrimp. I absolutely love the juicier the shrimp, the better.
We'll just top it there. Do we have a spoon for the lettuce or?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Looks great. It smells great. So you are not here, but it smells absolutely delicious. What a fun salad. You said this is easy to prepare, and
it takes very little time, and it seems like there's a lot of effort that goes into it, but there is really not.
And as I mentioned, always looking for ways to add more vegetables. So I love that you added this on the side. It adds texture to your dish. So just a great recipe that we're putting together today. Oh, it's okay. I'll just pick that up.
Yes, I'll fix that.
And so you added cucumbers, tomato in there, and then you said the feta cheese as well, right? And some onion. and olives.
So
Perfect.
I absolutely love this. There are some onions in there. I love onions. Onions are great for your heart.
Yay. So that is our masterpiece. Thank you so much, Cassidy. So this is our cream cheese shrimp Alfredo that we built today. So for more recipes, please visit us on our page. Thank you so much, Cassidy, for joining us today with Cooking with the Stars, and happy, healthy Valley. Thank you all.
Thank you.